Patterson, the Nashville Ford guy and specialty vehicle manager here at Wyatt Johnson Ford in Nashville, Tennessee, your #1 specialty vehicle headquarters. Listen, got a great final closeout sale on all of our ROUSH inventory. This is a 2017 ROUSH F-150, so everything in 2017's got to go. Incredible savings. You could save up to $7,000 off the MSRP on this truck right here. Listen, it's a race red 600 horsepower supercharged ROUSH truck. Gorgeous, gorgeous Mickey Thompson tire and wheel setup. This is a Lariat chassis with a 502A, which is going to get you leather seats, heated and cooled front seats, heated rear seats, twin panel moonroof, navigation, you name it. It's got the gorgeous ROUSH front end, side exit exhaust. It sounds loud, but this is available for sale here at Wyatt Johnson Ford. We've got 2 off-road ROUSH 2017s left in stock, but if you're interested in this one, call me 844-214-6629. You can text me at 615-397-3331, or you can email me at brock.patterson@wyattjohnson.com. We do have a couple of full walk-around videos of the ROUSH F-150, so check out our channel to find those out. Appreciate all your support. Be sure to like this video, and if you're interested, call, text, email, you name it. With ROUSH, no apologies. You won't be sorry. Buy this truck today.